And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to slice objects. You can use a freeform slice effect to cut regular objects and even text. In Inkscape, let me just create some random objects here. And I'll add some text. Let me add a single letter as well, because I want to show you something that you might run into when you slice text. And let me create a B. So this is a starting point, and a method that I'm now going to show you works with every object like this. So use this eraser tool and make sure that you've got the second option selected. So cut from path, the width needs to be at 0, so go down as far as you can, and the mass needs to be at 100, so to the max. And now you can drag this eraser over your objects. Don't get confused, it's lagging a little bit behind the mouse, so at least with my settings. And you can use the same method on text. You can go over the same object multiple times from multiple angles. Let me show that with the B here. So I'll go over it again. Let me select the cursor tool. And you can see that nothing has really happened. But when you change the view under display mode to outline, you can now see that we've created these slices. And when you press Ctrl 5, you toggle through these view modes, so I'm going to use the short key from now on. And if you go to path and break apart, you can actually ungroup these slices and then drag the shapes individually. Let me select all of the text. I break it apart. And there's something that happens with letters that have a negative shape as part of their natural shape. For example, the P, the A, and the B letter, you can see it's now black where it should be see-through. Let me press Ctrl 5, and you can see that we've got this negative shape, but it's in the background, and the other shape has been put on top and it has blackened, or the fill has now covered this negative shape. So make sure that you've got the negative shape selected, then press Ctrl 5 again, make it white, or give it any color and then put it to the top. And here it is. Now drag the different slices out of there, and what remains is the negative shape on top of the last slice. So select it all, then go to path and use difference, and now you've got your see-through within that cutted slice. So that's the way to deal with these problems. As I've said, letters like A, P, B, Q, O, letters like that, they need this method. And this is how you can slice objects and even text in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.